Hey everybody, today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the SmallRig ND Filter Set. If you missed the video, I've already done a ND Filter Set unboxing for the DJI Osmo Action 6 by Telesin, but I wasn't like overly happy with the product's quality, as well as the ND filter that I received was the variable version. So I'm not sure that would fit my needs properly because it doesn't have notches that stop it at each filter strength. So that being said, I went ahead and grabbed this. Roughly the same price. I think maybe even a little bit cheaper. I think this came in at about $28. When we see it says free your dream. A little bit of lawyer talk explaining what comes in the box, and as you can see we have the ND Filter 8, ND 16, ND 32, CPL filter, a cleaning cloth, silicone lens cover. So let's open her up, shall we? Right off the bat, this packaging actually feels pretty premium. Doesn't feel like cheap cardboard. It actually feels like there's a few dollars been put into this. Here's our SmallRig microfiber cloth. This is gonna be our lens cover. Wow, this one actually came with a case. The other set that I got did not come with the case, which is actually a bummer. When you're trying to pack this into a backpack, it really the box just takes up a lot of extra room that this right here actually solves. Not a bad case either, not super cheap. Got a nice click. Can you hear that? Let's listen. Click shut immediately. This feels very premium. It's gonna be aluminum. Got a nice grip running around the outside here, which helps with not putting your fingers on the lens, which was one of my biggest pet peeves with the other filter set that I got. As you can see, we've already grabbed something, a little piece of dust or something. The other filter set, because of the layout of the box, actually didn't allow you to grab it like very effectively without accidentally touching the lens cover. So as you can see, you can grab it like this, but it's so tight in there it's just not practical, which leaves you having to grab it more like this with a pinch to pull it out, because this is super snug in here. But with this set, you're able to just pinch it and pull it straight out. No need to touch the lens. Some nice labeling there, the ND 16 by SmallRig. And I'm gonna just go ahead and just say that immediately, this is a higher quality product than the Telesin. It feels higher quality. It comes with a case, which the Telesin did not offer. And the Telesin actually costed a little bit more. This, in my opinion, is much more geared towards video content. Whereas this seems to be much more geared towards photo content. Like if you want to set that, take pictures, and move on, it probably works for that purpose pretty well. But like I've stated in past videos, it likely moves when you're doing a harder, more extreme action sport. With this, you know what you're going to get. You can set your exposure, you can set your ISO, and you can rest assured that nothing's going to shift unless you shift it. I don't know if you can see this, a SmallRig on there. Very nice silicone cover. The question is, how well does it fit over the action camera lens? Very snug, and something that I've been wanting to get. I'm really grateful that this came with this kit, because this is something I feel like should have came with the camera. The camera is not cheap. The camera is a premium price and premium quality, but the only thing I feel like they skimped out on that they could have put in there is a silicone lens cover. Like this couldn't be more than $2 to make. Like there's just no way. So I'm grateful for that. That is a very nice touch, very nice case, and I'm blown away. I'm blown away, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see how well they fit on the camera. Extremely snug fit. Like I can rest assured that that's not going anywhere. That's a quality first product, and that's definitely worth the 28 bucks that I paid for this. So yeah, guys, if you're on Amazon and you're looking for a filter set for your DJI Action 6, this is the way to go. The SmallRig DJI Action 6 ND CPL filter set. This right here is where I wish I would have went to begin with. This definitely has a place. The variable filter will work better for some people's needs. But this is what I wish I would have went with to begin with. Ranking this from a 0 to a 10, this right here is a 9, hands down. For the purpose that I need it for, this is a 9. The only way that this could be any better is with a slightly higher quality case. It does snap into place, however, there's a groove. There is a groove that runs around it here, which I have no doubt could collect some dirt if not kept in optimal positioning. So if this case was just a slight bit higher end, this would be a 10. On my grading scale and for my purposes with the product, this is a 9. Without a doubt, this will be in my kit. I'll be replacing the Tellison with this SmallRig ND Filter Set. Appreciate anybody that stops by and checks out the video. Y'all have a great day. Take it easy.